Speeding up a WordPress website involves optimizing several aspects of your site's performance, from reducing server load to minimizing the size of files served to visitors. Here are effective strategies to improve your WordPress website speed. 1. Use a lightweight theme. Choose a well-coded, lightweight theme that doesn't include unnecessary features. Avoid bloated themes with excessive animations, sliders, and complex layouts that can slow down performance. Examples of fast themes: GeneratePress, Astra, Neve. 2. Install a caching plugin. Caching stores static versions of your website, reducing the time to retrieve and display content. Popular caching plugins: WP Super Cache, simple, highly effective. W3 Total Cache offers a more advanced caching system with database and object caching. LiteSpeed Cache, best if you're using LiteSpeed Server, but works well on others too. 3. Optimize images. Large images can slow down your website significantly. Use lazy loading to load images only when they're visible on the user's screen. Compress your images using plugins like Smush, Imagify, or ShortPixel. Consider modern image formats like WebP for better compression. 4. Use a content delivery network, CDN. A CDN distributes your content across multiple servers worldwide, so visitors download your site files from the closest server. Popular CDN providers include Cloudflare, KeyCDN, and StackPath. 5. Minify CSS, JavaScript, and HTML. Minification removes unnecessary characters like spaces, commas, and comments from your CSS, JavaScript, and HTML files. You can use plugins like Autoptimize, W3 Total Cache, or WP Rocket to minify your files. 6. Optimize database. Over time, your WordPress database can accumulate unnecessary data, such as post revisions, spam comments, and transients. Use plugins like WP Optimize or Advanced Database Cleaner to clean and optimize your database regularly. 7. Limit external HTTP requests. Each external resource, for example, Google Fonts, social media embeds, generates an HTTP request, which slows down your site. Minimize the use of external scripts or combine them if possible. 8. Disable unnecessary plugins. Deactivate and delete plugins you don't need. Each active plugin adds processing time. Avoid redundant functionality, for example, don't use multiple SEO or caching plugins. 9. Use a faster web host. If you're on shared hosting, consider upgrading to a managed WordPress hosting provider that specializes in performance, for example, Kinsta, WP Engine, or SiteGround. VPS or dedicated hosting can offer better speed if your site is growing. 10. Enable zip compression. Zip compresses files before they are sent to the browser, reducing their size and speeding up load time. Most caching plugins or hosting providers can enable zip compression. 11. Reduce post revisions. Limit the number of post revisions stored in your database to avoid bloat. You can do this by adding the following line to your wp-config.php file. PHP. Define wp_post_revisions. 5. 12. Update WordPress, themes, and plugins. Ensure you're using the latest version of WordPress, themes, and plugins. New updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes. 13. Reduce redirects. Avoid unnecessary redirects, as they add an additional HTTP request response cycle, slowing down page loading. 14. Use a lazy load plugin. For large pages, use lazy loading for images and videos, so that they only load as the user scrolls down. Plugins like Lazy Load by WP Rocket or A3 Lazy Load can help. 15. Use AMP, accelerated mobile pages. If mobile speed is critical for your site, consider using AMP to serve faster, stripped-down versions of your pages to mobile users. Tools to test speed. Google Page Speed Insights provides suggestions for improving your website speed. GTmetrix analyzes site speed and provides detailed performance reports. Pingdom offers real-time performance insights and load time tests. By following these steps, You should notice a significant improvement in your WordPress website speed and overall